Not every home in Tucson is next to Tanque Verde Creek, and not every backyard gives you great mountain views, a sparkling pool, and access to the loop at the end of the street. This home does. I'm Kevin Wood with eXp Realty, and we've helped people move in, around, and out of Tucson for over 20 years. If you'd like to see more videos about living in Tucson and the surrounding suburbs, please subscribe below and check out our channel for even more content. Tucked at the back of Vista Del Rio subdivision, this one owner, 4-bedroom, 2-bath Canoa home is just under 2,100 square feet with high ceilings and plenty of natural light. There's both a living room and a family room and a fireplace too, but it's August, so we'll circle back to that in January. The kitchen opens to the family room, so you're part of the conversation. The primary suite has a walk-in closet and a bathroom that's been thoroughly refreshed. New counters, a clean shower update, and a tub surround that looks sharp. Out back, the covered porch runs nearly the width of the home. It's shady and private with low-maintenance turf, a sparkling fenced-in pool, and terrific mountain views. There's a spacious side yard with plenty of room for a ramada or a playset. And with the Riverwalk and the loop right nearby, you can walk, bike, or jog literally for miles. The neighborhood park and playground is just up the street. Udall Park is no more than a mile away. Costco, grocery store, dining, and Tucson Medical Center are all within 10 minutes. In the description below, there's a feature sheet too, so you can look at all of the specifics about the home that I might not have mentioned during the video. So if this home checks a lot of your boxes and you're interested, let's set up a time to see it in person, or perhaps you live in the area, and if so, please share what you like best about the neighborhood. Thanks again for tuning into this video, and we'll see you next time.